Hello and welcome back to Southside Miniatures. Today I'm going to make an ornamental tree in a pot. So I hope you enjoy this and I'll start cracking on. First of all, what I did is I took some clippings from a box hedge. You can get clippings from anywhere if you live near woods or from your own garden even. Just get some twigs and you can use them. You can also use these pots here. We bought this one from the Kensington Dolls House Festival we went to in December, but I've printed these ones off on my 3D printer. But you can use bottle caps, anything that's that sort of size, and paint it if you want to. So first of all, what we're going to make is the soil to go in there. And what I've done is I saved my old tea bags and dried the tea leaves, and it makes a really good soil. So what you do is you just put some glue in the tea leaves. You can see that, like that, and then if you stir it up, I'm just using a skewer stick here just to give it a stir and grab all them tea leaves into the glue. Like so, and then once you've got your tea leaves on your glue, pop it in your pot and it looks just like dirt. It's brilliant. There we are. I'll just pick that up and pop it in the pot, and you fill the pot up so that this is going to hold your twig for your tree, and it won't fall over. You need a little bit more glue. That's it. Give it another stir. Grab on them tea leaves and get a nice lot of tea leaves and glue. Add a bit on top. Fill it up. There we are. Give it a bit of a mix up. And that should be sturdy enough then to hold your twig in. So you stand your twig up in the dirt. There we are, and we can pack a bit more around it then, just to hold it. I hope you can see that. There we are. I've packed down my tea leaves, as you can see, with the glue and put my twig in. I've left it for about 10 minutes so that it dries a little bit and holds the twigs in place, so that I can now start decorating the trees with the leaves. What I'm going to use to decorate the trees with, I've got this moss decoration here, which we got from Hobbycraft. If I show you the box, there it is there. You can get it in a couple of different colours, so it's up to you what you choose. I think it was about £5 for the whole box, and you get quite a lot in there. But if you didn't want to spend extra money, then you can always use a medium, like household sponges, which I broke all the household sponges up and I've coloured them with some acrylic paint. I'm going to do this larger tree here with the moss. Cover the branches with glue. If I start at the bottom and put some glue up the branches, like so. Like that. Doesn't have to be accurate. And then you can start picking off your moss and sticking it onto your tree. And it does come out and it looks quite effective once it's all done. And just pop it on there and allow it to dry. Using quite small pieces, because otherwise you're going to end up getting everything hanging everywhere. So gradually you can build up your leaves on the tree. I'm just going to carry on putting some more of this moss decoration on this tree here. I just heard a little bit of glue up along the branches, like so, and then stick your moss on. That's it. You can always trim it up as you go along, and you just keep building it up so that you get quite a lot of foliage. Just break your bits off and stick them on. That's it. It's the only trouble with the glue gun, these bits. That's it. Try and pull all them off. There we go. I'm just going to carry on with this a bit longer, and then I'll come back and show you once I've got all the foliage on. There we go. Like so. There we are. Yeah, so far so good. I'll put some more foliage on it now, some more moss. I mean, you can put more on there if you like, or less, depending what what you like and what you think looks good. But I'm quite happy with that now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some decoration to the tree. I bought some of these flowers. They're just plastic flowers, and I bought them from Hobbycraft. They were only a few pounds. They weren't very expensive, and I've cut some bits off here so I can use them to put decoration on the tree. I'll just pop them in a bit of glue like so, and then I'll just put them into the tree so that you can see the decoration, and just keep building this up so that the tree looks like it's in blooming spring, which is nice. So I'm going to carry on with this, put some more of these on, and I'll show you when I've finished, and we'll see what it looks like. I've finished now putting the decorations on my ornamental tree. I think it looks quite nice. I hope you like it. I'll just give it a spin round. If you like this, please press the like button and subscribe to our videos. And if you want me to do any tutorials on any other things, I will do my best to do it for you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope to see you soon. And if you need to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'd be happy to reply to you. That's my ornamental tree. Thank you very much for watching.